I'm John Miner, Certified General Contractor and President at Complete. Our construction cost consulting team inspects and provides values on large loss property damage disputes. We have all the professional designations for complete performance in the field, from FAA licensed drone operators and FLIR certified thermographers to certified floodplain managers and certified consulting meteorologists. A cost analysis or repair estimate is an integral portion of valuing an agreed scope of work. Known quantities and reasonable understood values, when applied to an agreed scope, are the mechanism of that agreement. Cost evaluation requires careful measurement, code evaluation, understanding of the scope, potentially provided by others, and application of local prevailing rates based on proven restoration techniques. Support for a cost estimate has to come from the source. We collect hard contracts through public information records requests on large commercial, industrial, and municipal projects. This information allows us to know what real contractors charge on OSHA regulated projects in an open bid format. As building consultants, we get up to our elbows in hundreds of disputed claims with spectacular scopes of losses on both sides of opposite values. Complete serves municipalities, school districts, select property owners, and insurance companies in establishing the expected cost of new construction, restoration, or other development work, as well as applicants under the 428 PA program. A cost expert can allow decision makers to lay out on a line-by-line basis the expected values to rely on to lead their respective organizations. Financial ruin can occur from inaccurate cost determinations, while good information ensures reproducible, expected success. Call our office at 850-932-8720 or email John Miner directly at john@teamcomplete.com.